Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D spinning logo in Blender. Alright, so first you want to start off with your logo, save it as a you can save it in like Illustrator or anything like that as a SVG, but if you don't have Photoshop or Illustrator or any of that, you can go to this website right here. They'll just be able to convert it to SVG pretty easy. So you'll start off by importing the SVG. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck, bro? Alright, we'll just start off. We'll just use this. So you want to select everything like that and just click join. Alright, you just join all it together. And then you just want to position it different. Oh shit. What the hell? Yeah, so then you just want to position it different. And then what you want to do is click options right here, select all these. Honestly don't know which one it is, I just know to select them. But you're going to select the move tool and you want to move the little origin point to the middle of the object, or at least the point where you want it to be spinning on. So now that you change that, turn these back off, and then you want to press this little green button right here, this little loop thing, click geometry, go to extrude and do 0.015. I mean, that's my favorite. Actually, that's too much. 0.01 is cool, I'm gonna leave it there. So next, what you can do is you can go to the sphere thing right here, little thing, I don't know what it's called. And then you can change the base color of it, which basically you just change the color of it. And then, then you can turn metallic up. You know, it's basically like making it shinier so the light hits it. Same thing with specular, but I don't really see specular doing very much to this right now. Now you can see the light hitting it like that. And that's kind of what you want, so you can see the details of it. It's dark in here and you won't be able to see it. But basically, if you don't have that, then like if you don't have it shining like that, you can go up here and change the light settings, make it brighter or whatever you want to do. Or you can change the different types of lights, how it hits. I honestly like spot. I think spot looks really good, especially for this, the way the light hits it. So I'll just aim the light towards it. It don't have to be like exactly on, because you know, it's just the light pointing towards the area. Alright, so now after you got that, what you want to do is you want to go to the camera right here. You just want to position that correctly. And then you can also go to camera view right here, this little button. And then you can go to object properties. I keep forgetting the name of that shit. But you can set like everything back to its original position, so it's not all like crooked. And then just want to get it in the middle. Okay. Bam, so you got it in the middle. Now what you would want to do is you would want to go to animation and click the camera button. You can view it a little easier. And you want to start at 0, not 1, because 1 will make it have like a really slow beginning for some reason. I don't know why. Starting it at 0 kind of helps. What you want to do is on the Z rotation, you want to add a keyframe, that little button on the right there. And you want to go to whatever frame you want it to end on, just depending on how fast you want it to move. And then you just press another keyframe. But on this keyframe, you're going to add 360 to whatever the degrees is. So like mine's at 90, so it'd be 450. I'm going to right click that and then replace keyframes. And then, oh wait, I'm on the camera. L. I'm stupid. So what you want to do is you want to click the object. You want to click the logo that you're using. And then you want to add the keyframes. Don't do it on the camera. And then you know, you add 360 to 120. My brain is fried today, bro. But you want to add 360 to 90 or whatever degrees your Z rotation's at. So that'd be 450, of course. And then you want to just check it, make sure it spins right. Yeah, bam, so it spins right now. And then that part of it's simple. Also what you want to do, you want to go down here to end, and you want to put it at 120 or whatever your last frame was. And then you would want to go to render properties, and then you go down to film, and you click transparent. Oh yeah, this part you don't have to do this, but it just makes the background clear, so you can put it over the top of videos, or you can use it for your site. Well, to use it for your site, I'll show that later. But then you would want to go to output properties, and then you just save it to like whatever folder you, and then you're gonna go to file format, click this video one, and then open encoding right here, and go to container. What the hell? And then click QuickTime. Oh my god. And then under video codec, you want to put QTRLE/QT animation. And then go and click RGBA under file format. Then you want to click render animation, and that should be good. Alright, bam. So now we got that saved. Oh, don't exit out of that. So yeah, that's as simple as it gets. If you got anything else you want me to teach you guys, just comment. If I don't know how to do it, I'll try to figure it out. Talking to a camera is awkward, bro.